Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I want to share with you guys a current dilemma that I've been having with my planner, and that is, do I want to go bound or disc bound? I'm currently using this mini. The cover and disc are from Cloth and Paper if you're wondering where I got the clear options, and I'll have information on Cloth and Paper as well as other black owned shops if you're interested in checking them out. And I'll also have information on, of course, all the other products that I mentioned. So what's my issue? A new month, and of course I don't know what I want to do with my planner life. But one thing that I find the issue that I have is when I need to reassess what productivity tool I'm using when it comes to pen and paper is, am I reaching for it? And you may be thinking, well, what the hell are you reaching for, Lakia? A lot of us are still in quarantine. I'm not back at work yet. So what am I really doing that I need to have my planner? And I know that's the struggle that a lot of people are having. What to plan when you have no plans. I still have things going on and I still want to be able to brain dump on a regular basis. I'm the kind of person that needs to get things out of my head and onto paper. So let's backtrack a little bit. Last year, I was using a bullet journal for half of the year. Then I switched to a ring planner temporarily. Then I switched to a bullet journal. Then I switched to a smaller. I switched to the mini HP. And then I tried out the half letter as of October of 2019. And I used that up until about March of 2020. Then I realized that, yo, you love the bullet journal style. I also realized that I don't really like structure in my planner. I just like to do whatever I want to do, what really floats my boat, you know. So with the bullet journal style, I am able to create my own spreads, tape in what I want to tape in, use the stickers. If I want to do weekly, I can. If I want to do daily, I can. If I want to do a week on 2 pages, I can. With inserts, even though there's so many to choose from, that's a gift and a curse because it's all these inserts. I have to narrow them down, or I can just create what works for me with the stickers that I have in my stash. So that is why I've always gravitated back to the bullet journal style. So this is the Stalogy. This is the one I used in 2019. Love it. And I love this binding versus this one of the Sequins. When I ditched my not my Happy Planner. I ditched that too. I was using a classic for like, oh my gosh, I think it was like a month. I was using the classic size hourly for like a month last year. And then I was like, screw that, it's too big, I can't do it. So after I stopped using the half letter in March, April-ish, I decided to try out the bullet journal again. And that is where I wanted to try a new one, and I got the Sequins. I was looking at the Sequins before because I liked how flexible it was from videos that I was seeing. And I mean, you can literally fold this thing back like it's nothing. And that's what I love about it. So boom, boom, boom. I could just fold it back. What I don't like is I just like the beginning pages are harder to break in, but I was using this one trying to use it as a planner, but then I was like, screw that, I was gonna put it on the shelf. But then I started using it as a quarantine journal, just writing about things that are happening, current events, what I'm liking, what I'm loving, what I'm doing, what I'm buying, all that good stuff. Another thing I like about the Sequins in comparison to the Stalogy is the paper. I will say that this paper is a little bit thicker. A little bit. but also the color is very different. This is a bright white, so I like that, but I like this one maybe because this one's more broken in, but I just could never get with this. This is supposed to be a B6 as well. It's a little bit smaller. So that's it with the Zequins, and I got over that, and I did a whole video of I want to be able to move things around, and that's why I moved into this mini size. And with this one, I find myself not moving things around. I'm not even reaching for it. I do share plan with me's in this, and then I'll use it for like the first half of the week, and then I don't touch it again. Like, I don't even open it. Sometimes I don't even know where it is. So that made me really think about, what is your intention with this? Is it cute? Do I have it because of a trend? Do I have it just to have it? I love this size. I really, really do. It is equivalent to that of a B6, which is my preferred planner size, but I just didn't find myself reaching for it. Another thing is that in creating my spreads, I felt like I didn't have enough space. So I'll go ahead and flip to this current week. I just feel like I'm a little bit limited, and I don't like that at all whatsoever. So I don't, it's just not what I want to do. I love the stickers. These are Capital Chic. If you guys didn't see the plan with me, I'll have it linked below. But this, it's not even the spread. It's just that I feel myself limited with this space. And then that's like, why would you go back to the Stalogy? Because the Stalogy is just about the same size, but I wasn't really doing this kind of layout in the Stalogy. And while I could do a day on a page, I just feel like with these discs, I have to switch it out ever so. It's really a personal preference that I'm making this bigger than what it is, but that's my thought process. So I decided to just look on my shelf, see what notebooks I had, and I realized I had this one. I bought this one 2 years ago from Target, and I love it because it's a lay flat notebook. So no matter where I turn it, it's gonna lay flat. This is the binding. I have ripped some pages out before I even started using this, and I didn't even realize it. So the cover is a little janky, but it's nothing I can't fix. So this is what I'm going to be testing out and trying and using, and I'm hoping to just be able to corral everything inside of here, from the writing projects that I'm working on to the journaling that I may want to do, like writing my highlights of the day. What did I think about this? What did I think about that? To just have it all in one location, which was the whole premise of having the bullet journal in the first place. So that is what I want to do with this. So this is orange. It actually reminds me of like a creamsicle or sherbet sorbet. So it reminds me of that. I could put washi tape down here, but I'm not really fixated on that at the moment. I love the cover. I think it's very cute for this time of the year. If I want to put a little decal here, I can. The opening inside here is orange, and I'm thinking of doing a collage here. I saw Pasha from Posh Plans on IG. She is doing a collage in her planner of just like little miscellaneous things here and there. And I actually did something like that in my Stalogy, now that I think about it. I did this, and I just want to have like the whole thing covered. So I have ideas for this. This is something that would be a work in progress, and I would add to it as I felt like it. Things that inspire me, things that I like. I'm debating on whether I want to leave it orange or turn it white. I'm not sure. And I would use cardstock for this. But if I do that, then I'm thinking, do I have to change the back of the notebook? I don't know. So that's what I'm debating on. And then I am going to put Crush the Chaos. I'm thinking of putting that here with some cardstock. So as you can see, the cover is a little janky, but I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna put the paper here and then put some tape here, and it should be good to go. But if anything, I would put a piece of white paper here just to thicken up the cover a little bit. But then also doing that could make it too heavy and put even more strain on the cover. So I'm debating on that. But I am gonna have Crush the chaos, my logo here. And I want to do the collage here. And then I went ahead and jumped into my week that I had did in my, do I have it in here? The week that I did in this mini. And yeah, I didn't take the stickers out of here. It's fine. It's cool. But that is where I'm at with my planner situation. I'm back in a notebook. And this is a lined notebook. It's not grid. It's not dot grid. It's lined. And with some stickers and just writing out what I want to write out. This one's a little bit heavy though. It's not a lightweight one. As for what I plan on doing with this, I'm thinking of turning it into a notebook for the contract work that I do, because I keep that separate from everything else. But that's just a possibility, or I may just leave it set up how it is, and if I feel like going back, that's that. But you guys will be seeing this. I still will be sharing planner spreads here and there. I have Happy Mail coming. So lots of fun stuff coming still with my planner style, but being transparent, I just wanted to share that little tidbit on why I switched once again. But it's cool. You do what you want to do. It's your planner. Do whatever the hell you want to do. Power to you. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. I'll have all the links to the products featured, videos I mentioned, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.